Hello everyone, I'm back again, still on personal branding. But today we'll look at how to monitor your brand. How do you monitor your brand? First, make your brand name distinct. Before naming your brand, you need to research thoroughly. You need to be sure that you're not using a distinct name which is not used by any other celebrity or big brand. You need to make your name distinct. Number 2 is that you manage your brand on search engine. 3, manage your brand on social media websites. Keep your profile updated and compelling on Facebook, on Twitter, Pics, wherever social media websites that you are making use of. Step 4 is that you upload your video on YouTube. Make few short videos offering valuable information about your brand and or your work, and you upload them on YouTube. YouTube helps to push your brand in the media space. Step 5, be vigilant. Now, on top of this, always keep your eyes open and see what is happening around you. If something is related to your profession, acquaint yourself with it and keep updating your knowledge. If there are events that concerning your profession, if there are seminars concerning your brand, keep yourself updated on this. Now, this brings us to the end of our class on personal branding. Well, before I go, be yourself because everyone else is taken. Oscar Wilde, see you.